Hi everyone, this is Eddie with Dent Devils. Are you looking to buy a used car? There's a couple things that you need to be aware of. One is not all cars and very few cars are reported to Carfax. Just because the car is certified really doesn't mean anything. We've got two Lexuses that my customer brought in over the last couple of weeks that were certified cars. The value of these cars, or what he was paying for them, was over $20,000. The first one, we did some pre-scans on the vehicle. We came across 4 to 6 major issues that showed up on the computer. Everything seemed fine when he drove it, but these were major issues. When I started inspecting the car, I noticed that they basically put a little bit of lipstick on the front bumper, meaning they did a quick respray on it. The bumper should have been replaced before they did that. All they did was cover up the scratches. The bumper was cracked, the tabs were broken. When they sprayed it on the car and they oversprayed everything. On the second vehicle that I'm going to show you, we didn't waste our time scanning that because the quarter panel turned out it had major damage and they drilled a bunch of access holes to get to the vehicle. This vehicle, I'm going to estimate that it had $15,000 worth of damage. They said that they don't sell cars that have structural damage, but this has structural damage on there. Always have your vehicles inspected by someone like myself, which will a lot of times do a quick pre-inspection for you just to help you out and protect you. But anyway, we'll get on to the video in a second and show you a few things I saw. I've got one of my customers that their vehicle totaled out about a month and a half ago. And what we're doing today is we're looking over the second vehicle that they brought us from a dealership that I'm taking that was supposed to be certified, that it's never been wrecked and worked on. We did a pre-scan on there. There was 4 to 6 error messages on the car. The car is supposed to have a clear Carfax, which their wording is really funny on there because they're saying no accidents have been reported to Carfax. Well, at first glance on this car, look at the dog leg on it. Look at this, it looks like a rattle can. The door does, or the quarter panel doesn't meet the door. Right here, you can see where they blended in their color. And you can see how they don't match. You can see where they spotted it in here. Really wondering if, yeah, there's holes down in here where they've punched and stuff. And where they tried to push this out. When we go up in here and roll it apart, we can see where the clear coat has been spotted in. Another telltale sign, it's all foggy in here. This is a major structural panel. We can see there's little drips and runs right into here. And you can see again where they spotted in the clear. Somebody did this out in the parking lot. And again, this vehicle is supposed to be inspected and it's supposed to be safe for my customer. You can see where they stabbed this out in here. I mean, this is just really, really bad. I mean, this is supposed to be a certified car. I feel really bad for my customer. So you can see right here, look where they punched a hole right in here. And they didn't even plug it.
Oh my gosh, that's really bad. This is some damage.
I mean, this needs a new hood as well, or should. You never want to drill holes in the sides. Come up in here, this bumper's hanging off. There's broken clips and stuff. Again, we can see where they spotted in the paint on here. It looks like they used a rattle can. Down in here, look at all this cottage cheese and just, this is just horrible.
Cheese?
You can see all the Bondo lines and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
The whole bumper's like this. I mean, you can see down in here where it's all stress cracked and stuff, and again, they spotted in the paint. We can see where there was more bad work done in here. If you look real close, you can see where it's all wavy and stuff. It was creased across here. There's creases across here where they just stabbed it out. When I get into this quarter panel, they drilled a hole in here to access their tools in here. When I get into this door right here, they drilled another hole right there. Again, look at this quarter, how it is. That is all full of Bondo filler. Now when I get inside here, see? I mean, that's pathetic. And again, there's another hole right here where they were trying to punch it out.
How much did you pay for this?
$20,000. Over $20,000.
You might as well
Thank
get
you.
a new car then.
Anyway, this is Eddie with Dent Devils. If you would like to bring in a car to have us take a quick look at it, to make sure you're getting a good deal and you're not getting the can of worms like the previous vehicles we inspected for this customer, please give us a call. You can check us out on the web under thedentdevils.com. We're again more than happy to do a pre-vehicle inspection for you. I think you've seen the importance of this video. If you need any paint and body, we do excellent work. We're really good at ensuring the insurance companies pay for the proper repairs, not just what's going to be the cheapest for them. We also do phenomenal paint and repair. So if you need anything, check us out. Thank you.